What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yeah, that's not my intro, but I will be coming up with an intro soon. So today, let me stop holding this. That's weird. That's my friend Diva. She's just hanging out. She's here for the ride. And today we are going to, can you guess? Did you guess it? Oh my God.
I'm not even anxious. I'm just like.
What's up, you guys? Yes, I look like shit, we all know, but we're not here for that. You guys are here to watch me try on Shein outfits. Shein, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's just fucking get started. Let's go!
Hi guys, so here I am wearing my plus button front gingham slip dress. This size is a 1X and it was $9.19. I paired it with my small little Gucci coin purse and I put on the shawl and glasses as an accessory. The plus drawstring waist mesh kimono retails for $6, but I got it for $5.52 with my discount that I used. I also paired it with the cross drop earrings that retail for $1.50 and the cat eye glasses that come with a case, and that was around $6. Okay, so next we have this lovely romper that retails for $16, and yeah, you know, it was a little big, but we made it work, and that's all that matters. As you see there, I did pair it with a kimono, but it was a little loose, like I said. Next, moving right along, we have this awesome shawl that I got, and what else did I get? Oh, I'm wearing the cross earrings, yeah, and I love this shawl. It is so colorful and pretty, and this kimono retails for $9.19. I love it so much, as you can tell. Alright, this next outfit is one of my favorite looks. The top is a sheer mesh shoulder top. It is $8. The ripped jeans are high-waisted and I love them. They were only $13, and then I'm wearing the belt and it was only $4. So thanks to Diamond, she did my hair for this look, and that's it, you guys. I love you so much.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to come on and, you know, say how much I appreciate you guys, and, you know, not to get deep or anything, but it does mean a lot that you guys watch my videos and like them. So yeah, I hope I can do more of these videos in the future, and I am so glad that my friend Diamond came, and, you know, she's so good. I don't know what to say. Anyways,